Yeah, hello all. Welcome to video number 4 for Quantitative Aptitude for all the computer exams in English. So this is now time and work chapter. Okay, till now we saw the 3 chapters. Those who didn't saw, you can check the playlist after this video. In this, we will discuss now the 5 questions of time and work. Okay, and these 5 types you can accept in your exam always. Okay, for any exam. So without wasting time, we will start with first question now. So let's start. Yeah, get ready your pen and paper, and now just see the question first. Okay, so the question is the ratio of efficiencies of A and B. Okay, just note this efficiency of A and B is 3:7. Working together, they can complete the work in 21 days. They work together for 6 days. In how many days? Now just observe this. 70% of the remaining work, okay, very important line for you, complete by B alone. Okay, now in exam you can do this question without lifting your pen also. Okay, it is very easy question to this, but first we will discuss the concept and then I will tell you that in exam how you should attempt this question. So before going to question, you should know what is the meaning of efficiency. Okay, in the basics of efficiency, you know what is the meaning of efficiency. So I will explain you. See, suppose there are two students, one is Pratik. Okay, one is Pratik and one is your suppose Sam. Okay, if I gave them 10 questions, Pratik can solve this per day 2 questions. Okay, and Sam can solve only 1 question per day. Means to complete this 10 questions, Pratik will require how much days? 5 days only, right? Yeah, but Pratik can solve the 2 questions per day. Okay, and similarly for Sam it will take 10 days. So I can say this 2 is nothing but the efficiency of Pratik. Means efficiency is what? In simple language, in my style, it is I just remember like per day work. That's it. Per day work. Okay. And as you can observe that when efficiency is high, okay, efficiency is high, it required less days. Okay, as you can see here, the efficiency of Sam is less. Okay, as compared to Pratik. So that's why it require more days. So that's why efficiency is inversely proportional to number of days. Compulsory note down these two things only for from this question. Okay, these two concepts are very important for us. Now we will see how to solve this question. So A and B. Okay, so A and B efficiency. What is the efficiency of A and B? 3:7. Okay, means A per day work of A is 3 and per day work of B is 7. Okay, days obviously if you want you can write, but it is not required. Now just observe this. So total work is such that they can complete the work in 21 days. We don't know total work. Okay, we do now, till now we know only the per day work, and they work together for 6 days. A and B work together for 6 days. So suppose if they work together for 6 days and per day A is doing 3 units and B is doing 7 units, then total work done by both of them 3 plus 7 10. Okay, because here they given me they work together in 10. Okay, 10 days. So 6 into 10, that is your 60, right? So what will be the total work? Suppose like this only they will work for 21 days, then the total work will be 210. Okay, now for this 6 days, because what is the question, in how many days 70% of the remaining work. Okay, what is the remaining work now? Total work is 210, they completed 60. So what is the remaining work? 150, right? You will just minus this. So 150 work is remaining by A and B. Now see, just here you will make the mistake in your exam hall. Why? Because you will directly do this 150 divided by B's per day work. Okay, because you have to find, if you miss this 70%, because the trick in this question is this nothing but this only 70%. So that's why 150 70% you have to find first. Okay, what is the 70% of 150? So 150 into 70%, that is your 105 only. Okay, so for to complete this 105, how much days B alone could take? Okay, how much days B alone take? So per day work of B is 7 units of work done B did per day. Okay, so 105 to complete the 105 work in how much days B required? So it will be your 15. So that's why answer is 15. Okay, that's why answer is 15. So just this concept is required in this question. Very easy question actually. Now in the exam hall, what you will do? See, you just know the concept of efficiency. So I will just take here 10. Okay, so 10 into 6 60, and this is your 210. So 210 minus 60, 150. and 150 70% is your 150 70%, 15 sevens are 105, okay, double zero gone, and 105 divided by 7, that is your 15. So without using pen, okay, in just hardly 5 to 6 seconds you can solve these questions, okay, just 5 to 6 seconds. So like this you have to approach in exam hall, and now you have to understood this, okay. So this was the first question. Now the second question is there for you, okay. So it is the same question I taken, but here just what I did, here just I didn't do the if percentage criteria, okay. Here didn't I this is the, if that question was level 2, then this is your level 1 question, very easy question, okay. You can do this question by yourself. I will just tell you the answer, that is your D only, okay. Find the answer and get the answer, and just comment in the comment box that I got the answer, right. And I want that the number, so in the comment section just comment the number, okay, how much days, basically we have to find the how many days. So obviously answer is none of this, so what is the exact number, okay, I want this. So in comment you will comment this, okay. The third question now, the daily work of 3 women is equal to that of 2 men, okay, or 4 children. By employing 12 women, 14 men, and 12 children, a certain work can be finished in 24 days. If it is required to finish it in 12 days, okay, we have to finish in 12 days. Then, as an additional labor, only men are available. Then, how many of them will be required? Okay. So basically, the question is that we have to complete this total work in 12 days. The same work which is done by 12 women, 14 men, and 12 children. Okay, and we only want men will be there for to finish it in 12 days, okay. So obviously we have to hire extra men for to complete the work, right, simple thing. So how many extra men we should have, so that the work is complete gets completed into 12 days, okay, simple question. Now see, here also they given me that the work daily work, okay. Now see, the daily work means efficiency. So 3 women is equals to 2 men, or is there means is also equal to 4 children, okay. Women for W, men for this, and C for children. Now the efficiency of this, that is 3 women is equal to the 2 men, okay. Means whatever the work completed by 3 women in a day, the same work is completed by the men 2 men, okay. Similarly, whatever the work which is completed by 3 women in a day, the same work is completed by 4 children in one day, simple efficiency, okay. Now see, 12 women plus 14 men plus 12 children are there, and they complete the total work in 24 days, okay, 24 days. Now it is very important to note that we only want men, okay. So we have to convert women and children into the men's work, okay. How to convert? Now see, 12 women are there, okay. 3 women, if 3 women's work, daily work is equals to 2 men, then what is the value of 12 women work? Okay, see here, just you can multiply by 4, because 3 fours are 12. So similarly, if you are multiplying here, then obviously you are multiplying here also, it will be 8, right. So I convert this 12 women into 8 men, because we want only men, right. Similarly for children also, see, the 4 children means 4 children means 2 men, okay. The work done by 4 children in a day is equals to 2 men work. Then what is the work of 12 children? So just multiply by here 3. So here also you multiply by 3, so it will be your 6 men. So I will just replace this by men, okay. Now total men, 12, 14, 6, 20, 28, okay. So what I got finally, that 28 men can complete a total work in 24 days, okay. Now we know the basics of time and work, that how to find total work, MDH, okay, main days work, you know the concept. So what is the number of main? 28. What is the days? 24. So this is a total work, okay. Don't multiply. Always remember, in the time and work, when you are finding total work, don't solve this, okay, because it will get cancelled for sure. Always it will sure get cancelled. Now just remember this thing, same total work, okay. I want it to be finished in 12 days, okay. Means it should be finished in 12 days by how many men? By how many men? So that I want to find. How to find? So obviously I don't know the number of men. Now here I can do it by two more ways, okay. So 2 ways are there. So either I can write the additional men I want, okay, means 28 men are there, and additional men, that is x men. X is nothing but your additional, okay. This is the one way. just be alert. Okay, in this lots of students make mistake in the last stage because the earlier steps are very easy, but this is the tricky step. Okay, that's why. And the second way I can do, I will just make x into 12. Okay, and then in the last I will just subtract that number which I am getting from this 28. Okay, so I will just, we will observe by both the ways. See, first, this you know that 28, just for your understanding I am writing again here like this, because this is your total work and this is also total work. Total work is equal work, right? So that's why it is like this. So this is your 2 times, okay, 56, and 56 is, and 28 goes there, so it will be your 28 again, and this is your x. So value of x is 28. Your answer is 28. Okay, now here also you can see, so this 12 2s are 56. Okay, so value of x is 56 now, but this is your, the 56 number is what, additional main also included in that. Okay, and in the option you can see the TCS give 56 also. So this is the way okay, so this is your alert question that you have to be alert. Either do like this, or here x value is 56. How many mains are there earlier? 28. So now how many additional mains are there? 28 main. That's why your answer is C. Okay, so if you are using this, then just be alert, because in the option 56 is also there. Okay, and you will get the negative marking for this, because okay, for very easy question. So in this question it is very important to stay alert, right? Easy question again. I hope everyone got the answer. Okay, just before any question, or before see the solution, just try this question by yourself. Just pause the video and try this question by yourself, because this is the practice session. Okay, already you studied the content, I am assuming. Obviously in the explanation I am explaining from the zero level, because of new students are also there, they want to learn for them, but you have to try by yourself at least. Okay, let's move to the fourth question. So for this question I have two methods for you. Okay, so first I will show first method, then we will move to second method. So see the question, that 8 men can complete a piece of work in 22 men can complete the same work in 32 days. Okay, so work is same. How many days will 5 men and 8 women together complete the same work? Means the same work which complete means they work together, then how many days it required, they require. Okay, options are this. Now see, so a very important thing is that 8 men, okay, can complete a work. Suppose work is there 20 days. Okay, and 8 women can complete the same work in 32 days. 32 days. Okay, so efficiency of men is higher, it seems from this. Okay, now what to do here? So find the total work. So what is the total work here? This is your 160 m. Okay, total work, because total work is same, and here 8 into 32, that is your 256 W. Okay, so from this now I will get the efficiency. So with 16 I can divide, so 16, this is your 10, and this is your 16, again with 5 2. Okay, so this is your 8 5, and this is your 8. So 5 men is equals to 8 women. Okay, so means what is the ratio of men and women? So men can complete, one men do per day 8 work, and women do 5 work. Okay, because of this obviously we can see the difference. Now I got the value of M and W, that is the efficiency per day work of them. Now how to apply? See, I want that 5 men plus 8 women. Okay, I want 5 men and 8 women. Now see, from here I got the 5 men work is equal to the 8 women work. Okay, and how much 8 women do? 8 women do 32 work. See, the work in 32 days. Okay, so obviously 5 men can complete the same work in 32 days. Okay, now from here answer is 16, and your answer is 8. Okay, how answer is 16? Observe this. Suppose the total work is 10 is there. Okay, Ram is there and Sham is there. Ram do per day 5 work, 5 minutes of work. So how many days he will require to complete the work? 2 days it will require. Okay, Ram will require. About the Sham also take 5 okay, 5 minutes of work Sham take per day. So Sham also take 2 days. Now Ram and Sham, if both are combinedly work together, then total work per day done by Ram and Sham is 10. So how much day they both require to complete the 10 work? 1 day. Okay, as you can observe here, it is half. So that's why the same concept is there, that 8 women can complete the same work in 32, 5 men can complete the same in 32 if they combine, because what they ask me, 5 men and 8 women. Okay, if they combinedly do the work, then obviously it will be half, that is 16. Okay, your answer is 16, like this. So this is your first way. Now we will move to the second method. Okay, in exam hall I will recommend you the first method only, because directly you can get the answer. Okay, second method is little bit calculative, but still it is easy. See, now we have to find again the total work. Okay, total work we have to find again. After that we have to find the efficiency. Okay, so main efficiency is 8. We got the ratio now, so till the here those step will be same. Now from here what you can do, I want 5 men plus 8 women work. Okay, so 5, what is the value of m? 8. Okay, what is the value of w? 5. So it will be your 40 and 40, 80. Okay, it will be a 40 and 40, 80. I want that the total work is done in how many days. Okay, so suppose now what is the total work? Okay, I already told you the total work is, for if we consider men, then total work is 20 into 8. If we consider women, then total work is your 32 into 8. Okay, anything you can take. So suppose I will take total work at this, that is your 20 into 8. Okay, so 20 into 8. But what was the total work we found here for 8 men? So we found 8 men into 20. Okay, what is the value of m? 8. So 8 into 8 into 20 divided by men and women combined doing the work, that is 80. Okay, so what is the answer? See here, it is 16. A. Okay, so like this you can also do. This is second method, and you can also do by first method. First method obviously it will save you a little time, and obviously that little time help you a lot. Okay, so this was your fourth question. I hope that you got the concept and you got the approach, that how to approach this in your exam hall. Now we will move to the last question, that is fifth question. Very good question and very easy question basically. Okay, see, Ram complete a task in X days alone. So Ram completes the task in X days. Okay. So per day, how much work is doing by Ram? Done by Ram? 1 by X, right? Per day, Ram is doing 1 by X work. That's why the X in X days he can complete the work, total work. Okay. He worked for 6.5 days and was then replaced by Mohan and Prasad, who together worked the remaining work in 3 days. So basically, then after the Ram work for 6.5 days, means Ram is doing 1 by X work per day. Okay, this is the per day work, and he is working for 6.5. Then Mohan and Prasad is there. Okay, Mohan and Prasad the complete remaining work in 3 days. So per day work of Mohan and Prasad combinedly 1 by 3. Okay, working alone, Rohan and Prasad take 0.5x and 8 days respectively. Okay, now see, alone work is given me, so I will neglect this step and I will write that working alone, Rohan and Prasad take 0.5 days, means the Rohan, okay, it's point for Rohan. Then I guess here, okay, Prasad takes how many days? 8 days. So Prasad efficiency is 1 by 8. Okay, now see, Mohan and Prasad. So Mohan plus Prasad complete the work in 1 by 3 days. Okay, 1 by 3 days they are completing the work. Yeah, there is error. Okay, so here it is Mohan only. That's why I got confused, little confused. So it is Mohan only. So Mohan per day efficiency is 1 by 0.5. 1 by 0.5. Okay. Now suppose total work is 1. Assume total work is 1. So to complete this one work, first Ram is there. Okay. He worked for 6.5 days. So I will write 6.5x plus. After that he left the work. Then Mohan and Prasad combinedly come here. So what is the efficiency or per day work of Prasad? 1 by 8. And what is the per day work of Mohan? 1 by 0. So 1 by 8 plus, because they are doing combinedly work, 1 by 0.5 x. Okay, and they work for how many days? 3 days, and then the total work is gets completed, that is 1. So now just you have to solve this equation. It's easy, right? So here see, this is 0.5x means what? This 1 by 2, so 2 goes up. Okay, so it will be 1 by 8 plus 2 upon x. So this x is common. Okay, here what you can write, dc plus 1 by 8 plus 2 by x, okay, is 1. So if this 1 by 8 goes there, then it will be your 1 minus 1 by 8, okay, means 7 by 8. 1 minus 1 by 8, 7 by 8 here, and here it will be your 8.5 x, right? 8.5x. So just solve this, you will get the answer. So it's very easy now. That what you can do is, see, 0.5 is there, so just multiply here by 2. Okay, so what you will get here, you will get 17 and upon 2x. Okay, so 17 into 8 is equals to 7 into 2x. So this 2, this 4 times. Okay, 17 4s are, 17 2s are, what is 17 2s are 34, 34 34, 68. So 68 is equals to this your 7x, okay, and something is wrong. Okay, fine, sorry. This 3 we didn't multiply, na? See how the mistake happened. Okay, that's why step by step we have to do. The same mistake happens in exam hall also. So what you will do, first multiply by 3, so 6.5x plus, so sometimes in hurry it happens. Okay, so 1 by 2, 3 by 8, and 3 by 3 into 2, 6 by x. Now just solve this. So it is your 12.5x. Okay, 3 by 8 goes there, 1 minus 3 by 8, that is your 5 by 8. Okay, 12.5 is there, here 5 is there. So either you can make this by multiply by 2 or 2x. Okay, so you will get here 25, here 5 is there upon 2x, here 8 is there. So with 5 you can multiply, so 5 5 is there, and here you will get 4. So x is equals to 5 4 the 20. Okay, like that you can do. So just be alert while multiplying also in your exam hall. Okay, very important, because sometimes if you do mistake in this, then you will get the wrong answer for sure. Okay, so this was your 5 questions of time and work. I hope that you got the concept, and till now we complete 20 questions total in our this master class series. Okay, just revise these questions before your exam. It will be surely help you before any exam. Just revise the whole playlist. Okay, playlist is ready. Revise and go to the exam, and definitely you will make it. Okay, and the mistakes which we are learning here are very important, because the learning is our first mentor. Okay, now if you have any query, any doubt, anything is required, then obviously you can comment down below. Compulsory like the video. Okay, you guys didn't like the video, so like the video, and then you can solve connect to the telegram channel. Okay, all the best.